Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly remove these clips from the reset lighting housing system. If you ever want to change it, this is how you remove them. I have a video that shows you how to install it. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove it. Fairly easy. You can't, once you install it, it's very hard to remove them, but that's a quicker way to do it. Okay, you need is the screwdriver, flathead, or a Phillips, doesn't really matter. What you pay attention to is the little hole right there on the clips. Push that in there and push down and up. See, let me focus my video again. See, it moves, and that's it. Now it's loose. Okay, so this is how you do it. Push it in there and up, so to speak. Okay, so that's how you take it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the videos. See you next video.